Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek AI in mobile phone app R1 and V3 models. So let's get started. So in the Play Store, you're just going to search for DeepSeek, and if you are using iOS, just go in your phone to the App Store and search for DeepSeek. You'll be getting the first one. Just click on install. So just open it. And here you can log in by using your email or phone number or directly by using the Gmail. So once you're done signing in, you'll be getting an interface like this, which is quite similar to ChatGPT. And they have two models. Okay, one is the V3 model and the other one is the R1 model. So the R1 model is the most powerful model of DeepSeek. So let me just go and ask a question. With DeepSeek, just going to ask what model are you using? And here you can see DeepSeek is saying DeepSeek V3. And if I click on this DeepSeek R1 at the bottom, if you enable this, now the DeepSeek R1 model will answer us. I would just go and ask the same question. So here you can see I'm getting DeepSeek R1 model. And the difference between V3 and R1 model is the R1 model thinks a lot, analyzes the answer and the response that it's going to give, and then only it gives the answer. For example, earlier at the top, the V3 model directly gave us the answer, but after I enable this deep thing, R1, it literally thought for 3 seconds and then only it answered my question. It really also gives the entire thought process as the response. If you want, you can just read it through. So in case if you're having a small doubt or question, I would recommend you to go with the normal V3 model, that is normal search. If you have any complex problem like a mathematical or research thing, I would recommend you to go with Deep Thing R1. Just enable that, and you're also having the web search. You can just enable the search and ask. And if you want a new chat, you can just click on the top right. New chat will be enabled, and to the leftmost tab, you'll be having the chat history. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.